Welcome Spirit Shack. This is our EVP Recorder Pro App. So basically the beauty about this is you can install it on any Android or Apple device, and if it's on your phone, obviously it's in your pocket and to hand 24/7. So basically it's as good, the quality of the microphone is as good as the quality of microphone in your phone. So if you've got a high-end phone, obviously you're going to have high-end EVPs. So basically we've got two modes, record and listen. So if you want to record an EVP, you need to be in record mode. If you want to listen back to recordings you've already made, you need to be in listen mode. So EVPs are when ghost responses are picked up on an electronic recording device that the human ears can't hear, because digital audio recorders can hear much higher and lower ranges than the human ears can hear. So basically you set recording, you ask a question, you leave a gap, you play it back. So you hear yourself ask the question, and then you're listening for the spirit's response in the gap. You can just do one question at a time, or you can ask 4 or 5 questions, as long as you leave plenty of gaps in between. So I'll just show you basically how to use it. So you press the record, allow to give it permission. So I've got to press record again, because you've got to give it permission the first time. Press record. So now you can see it's recording. So are you there? Then leave a gap. Stop it. So then you can click tick to save your recording. It defaults to the current time and date, but you can rename it whatever you want. So you click save. Then you can go on to listen tab, and it shows the recording we've just made there. You can share that recording to WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you want. You can delete it, you can rename it. It tells you there the duration of the recording, the size, time and date, and obviously the name you've given it. You can play it, you can forward, fast forward and rewind, and you can also plug this into your computer, your phone or tablet or whatever you've installed it on, to copy those onto your computer or whatever. So I'll just quickly play this back. Press record. So now you can see it's recording. There you go. So that's how you use our EVP Recorder app. I'll leave a link to the app in the video description, and thanks for watching.